I am very bored. Who needs that? Since when was that there? Great. Here we go again. Now look, the only reason that you actually want to design a paper airplane is because of quarantine. Coronavirus these days. Am I right? Okay, that was a bit dumb. But if you want to make a perfect paper airplane that includes stuff like this, you'll need some requirements. So you need aerodynamics, drag and gravity, thrust and lift, by the way, and 4 forces of balance. Drag, gravity, thrust, and lift, which is basically what I just said right here. Lack in one of these things, and you're pretty sure you're not going to get anywhere. Now, to be fair, all you can do is literally type how to make a paper airplane. And then boom, you just got these designs, and look what it says here. Fold the paper in half vertically. Okay then. Okay, it says here to unfold the paper and the corners to the center line. Okay, let's see here. Y'all are getting this, right? Fold the top edges to the center line. What could that mean? Oh, it means this. Whoa. Fold the wings down, matching the top edges from the body, and then double stick tape to the inside of the body. Excuse me, what does that mean?
12 seconds later.
Whoa, that literally makes no sense at all. Okay then. Nah, I'm just kidding. You just have to make it more skinnier. Wow, that made no help. Then, wait, what? Then I gotta fold it like this. Then, what does this step do? Seriously, what does this step even do?
Later.
And, well, I did it, guys. I made a plane. Cool. Okay, now here are some problems with this design of the plane. It doesn't go very far. Watch this. Oh wow, that does go very far.
5 minutes later.
So as you can see here, here is the best designing plane of all time. The world record plane. So if you've never heard of the world record paper plane, first of all, what is wrong with you? Like seriously, what is wrong with you? Okay, so according to this guy, this is how he does it. He threw it.
There it is. We are all over that one. That's gonna do it. Get up there, get up there, get up there, get up there, get up there.
Okay, that's cool, but guess what? How do you make it? Well, no worries. I can do it right here, right now, with little to no help because you're literally looking at some iPad screen. And yes, I have no life. I need a world record plane. I need this type of paper. No, not this type of paper. This type of paper. Okay, as you can see, I am already confused. Okay, so make it look like you're doing the fortune, and yeah, that's it. So, actually, I'm just gonna speed this up a bit. So you do that on that side, and then you do it on the other side as well. Okay, now it's just literally, now it literally looks like now it looks like like what? I am so confused right now. After that, all you gotta do is make it match like this. Okay, so I'm getting track of what he's doing right now. All I gotta do is fold it like this. Okay, that makes logical sense. So what do I do after that? Oh, you fold them both? Whoa! 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 Okay, so that tiny space, I gotta bend it where that is? Okay. Okay, so I can see what he's trying to do. So... Okay, so... There we go. Now with this, what do we do with it? Okay, so... What's next step? This... Oh... Wow... We fold it again. I love folding. I literally love folding. Folding is my passion and it's my career job to fold. Okay, I should stop playing around because this guy probably won like a ton of money just doing this. Okay, so it looks like this. You know, a pentagon. But nope, you gotta fold it some more. So, guess you... Yep, you fold it like that. Okay, let's see here. Oh, wow. That made zero logical sense. What? Okay, so I'm looking at this. It's supposed to have this design here, so guess that makes sense. Then after that, it's on the other side. Okay, I can see his point. Oh wow, I feel like I made an issue. Yeah. Okay, now it's supposed to look like this. Whoa. Then it's supposed to look like this. Okay. Look at this, guy. I did it. So this is the confirmed world record plane. But how does it test out? You gotta test this. Wow. Nothing happened. So, reviewing these. Okay, I can see what they're trying to do here. Okay, this is what I call the dart paper airplane, which is supposed to go basically all the way straight, like. Yeah, but then there's this thing, which is the glider. And the glider, apparently it's the world record plane. So, there's that. My complaints with these. One, this one, it can go far, but it can't go far enough. So there is that. And then the second, and the other complaint that I could complain about this is that if you mess it up, the aerodynamics are just like messed up. Like, it doesn't go far as you want it to. And, okay, I might go with this as well, but who cares? Seriously, who cares?